Hello guys! So nakalabas na naman kami para bumili ng something na magagamit ni Mr. Guy. So as usual, saka lang naman kami nakakalabas no kapag may kailangang bilhin sa labas. Ayan. So naubusan na naman kasi ang aking Indianong puti ng kanyang sabon guys. Kaya yan na naman ang kanyang sadya sa aming paglabas. So gusto ko naman kasi doon lang ako nakakalabas at nakakapag-vlog din, no? Ayan. So alam nyo ba guys, dito sa India, kaya siguro sila yung iba, no? Kaya siguro may amoy kasi yung iba hindi pala gumagamit ng sabon. Alam nyo, naliligo sila pero hindi sila araw-araw gumagamit ng sabon. So imagine nyo yun guys, paano kaya yun, no? So sabi ni Mr. totoo daw yun. Si Mr. din nagsabi sa akin nun. Pero ang aking Mr. guys, araw-araw siyang gumagamit ng sabon. Ayan. So andito na ang aking Indianong puti guys. Ayan. Indianong puti. Isn't it gulo? Is it true?
Ever.
Totoo.
Ever.
That some Indian don't use sabon every day.
Totoo yan.
Totoo yan daw guys. Totoo yan daw. Nang Tagalog ang Indianong puti.
Just
Siya si
listen.
Indianong Tagalog.
Indianong Tagalog.
Yes. Ayan. So ayan na guys, pauwi na kami. Ayan si Indianong puti.
Din,
Ha?
I have a question.
What?
Anong mas develop, ang city or Tarlac?
So ang tanong niya guys, anong mas develop daw? Ang city nila, ang city ng Hisar o ang Tarlac City? I can say Tarlac City, mas develop ang Tarlac City.
In all.
Ha? Compare here. Yes. Tada! So pauwi na kami guys, malapit na kami sa aming bahay. Say bye-bye na to titas mahal. Bye titas! Why you so masungit? Ang sungit naman ng mukha ng baby love ko. Oh, don't be masungit anak, ha? You're so cute, oh. Then you being masungit. Eh? O tahimik. May kakaistahimik. Jenik, you know. Right?
Just?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So iikot pa namin si Jazz. Iikot lang muna namin si Jazz konti guys. So ayan, nadaanan namin ang park. So walang masyadong bata pa dahil nga medyo malamig pa ang simoy ng hangin. Ayan, kung makikita nyo naka lahat ng tao pa rin, naka jacket pa rin. Yeah.
Pause.
Ayan. Ayan. So dadaan lang kami sa park guys. Para naman magtagal-tagal pa kunti si Jazz sa park. Ay sa park. Sa sasakyan. Ayan. So tingnan nyo may mga bata sa park.
Meron bata sa park?
Yes, mayroon. They are playing. Pero hindi gaanong marami. It's kind of dark.
Marami bata sa park.
So are you the Indianong Tagalog? Indianong Tagalog.
Just trying to learn.
So sana matuto nga si Mr. ng Tagalog guys. Yung makausap ko na siya ng Tagalog ba. Mas madali ang buhay pag ganun. Bigas na.
But I still somewhat like sometimes I still don't understand whole.
Yeah, that's normal. Like you can also learn immediately. That's so fast. Those Indian who can speak Tagalog straightly, they live in Philippines for many years already.
Really?
Yeah, obviously. Like this singing Sarah, her husband live in Philippines for many years in this Adele vlogs. That Aditya also live in Philippines for many years. So obviously they able to speak in Tagalog.
But
and this
Tagalog,
Milaine also, like Milaine husband can't speak Tagalog much also, like some words only, like basic, I think.
Just like me.
Because he just went to Philippines to study, right? That's why he learned Tagalog also.
Tagalog is comparatively easy, you know. Like, you know, I'm
Yeah,
not saying
compared to Hindi, obviously it's more easy.
I can't compare to Hindi because I know it from ever since, but it's so easy compared to other language, let's say Russian and all, because it's so difficult to speak in that language, you know.
Yeah.
Like different, can't explain because it's written different also. So if you can't learn online that easily, first you have to read it.
So we're here, guys. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Bye! Say bye-bye na, mahal. And flying kiss also. Take it. Walang sounds. No sounds? Atcha. Bye, guys.